Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set up and use text to speak on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply, at first open your Play Store, go to search option, search it to so at first you need to install these apps. I'm already installed this. You can easily install from here. So go back, open your settings, scroll down, press on to accessibility, press on and click on this option. So at first need to make sure to enable, press on allow, press on and select this option, then showing it to this icon. Okay, I will set up, go back, like open any site, press on this arrow option,
discussions and forums. Seriously, what is Quora? Quora.
Okay, then you get setting option, press on to set up, speak rate, easily increase or decrease, size, easily customize from here and just play.
Quora 10 plus answers 1Y. Navigate up. Select to speak settings. Text to speech settings. Change reading voice. Read in background. Experiment.
And that's it.